go to my worksheet real quick. My workbook is called 09 Vet Clinic Patients. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to the client list worksheet. I'm going to type in A57, we're going to type in a duplicate record. So we're going to type 0053. Mrs. Mary Jane Brink. Jane Brink. 704. Airway. You can tell it's sort of a duplicate already because it's trying to autofill it for you. Cincinnati, Ohio, 45250. I'm going to put a phone number in there for her. 513-555-1655. And hit enter. And if you can tell, we should already have a Mary Jane in here. Yeah, Mary Jane Brink, same person. She's got a different record number or client number. So what we're going to do, so now we're going to select the cell range A4 to N57. So A4 to N57. We're going to go up to our Data tab. In the Data Tools group, we're going to click on Remove Duplicates. And in the client list, there's things that we do not want to look for. We don't want to compare. And we want to not compare the client number because we've assigned we've assigned the next client number to this person. And it won't pick up it being a duplicate if we compare client numbers also. And make sure my data has headers. Make sure you have that. And the reason we keep that in there is because where we started selecting, this is our header row, and it is in our selection. So we need to let Excel know that we do have a header row. We're going to click OK. And it tells us 1 duplicate value found and removed. 52 unique values remain. Click OK. And if you notice, the one we had just put in on line 57, it has now disappeared. And that's all you have to do to remove duplicate rows from a worksheet.